Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, Peter. So yeah, so why don't you tell us a little bit about how you're using DataBlend, what motivated you to integrate, Workday Adaptive Planning and Google Sheets?
Yeah, so as I said, SeatGeek, heavy into Google Sheets. We really like the collaboration that it allows for just not only between finance, but also um, non-finance teams, marketing, R&D. Just that tool is very accessible for most users, and um, DataBlend, has really helped us connect a lot of the work that goes on in Google Sheets back into Adaptive. Adaptive, you know, I've been using it for a while. I enjoy using it, and I do think it's um, there are some areas where it's a little challenging, I think, for the average user. So importing data, like going through that process, not only does the user have to have the right credentials, but they do need to know like how it gets updated. DataBlend has kind of streamlined the whole process of setting up what data needs to get loaded into Adaptive, which is what we mainly use it for.